And every year on the night of Halloween, a very jealous ghost steals all of the sweets from all of the children, and then goes and hides in the lighthouse to eat his candy. The end.
Oh, but that just isn't fair.
He can't be allowed to do that. There must be some kind of way to stop him. Am I right, Grandpa?
Maybe there's something the four of you could do.
Oh, Grandpa, tell us, won't you, please?
Then come with me. Everyone to truck control.
Come on, let's stop the ghost who steals children's candy.
Yippee!
Dear Mini Trucks, your challenge for today is to find the ghost thief who steals children's candy. But first, if you want to do it, you will have to come face to face with your very biggest fear.
I'm not afraid of anything, Grandpa.
Everybody is afraid of something, my little Ellis.
So where's the ghost hiding, Grandpa?
At the Trucksville Lighthouse. I am programming the launch pad to send you directly there, but beforehand, I am going to equip you with some headlamps, because night will be falling soon, and it will become very dark.
How do the lamps work?
You just have to say the words lights on, and they will light right up.
Wow, that's great!
Take good care of yourselves, my dear Mini Trucks. Prepare yourselves for launch! 4, 3, 2, 1, Mini Trucks, go!
Hey, what's the matter, Jeremy?
I'm afraid of the dark.
Don't be afraid. We have these super headlights from Grandpa Ted. Watch me. Light on. Wow. It's your turn now.
Light on.
So then, are you still afraid?
I'm doing better. Super! Now let's go and find the ghost.
Did you all hear that?
It came from over here.
No, I think that it was coming from over there.
You go around one way and we'll go the other.
Okay, we are going to catch the ghost.
The ghost has spilled all of the boxes.
It can't be far. I hear a noise that's coming closer.
It's you.
But why were you screaming? We thought it was the ghost coming, but it was only you guys.
You okay, Alex? It's the ghost.
He's so huge. Hello. Come and see. This is not a ghost. It's just the shadow of a little snail.
Oh, yeah, it's true. Hello there, little snail.
You see, there is no reason to be afraid. It's the ghost!
Run for your life! Oh no, we can't escape!
Don't be afraid of me, my Mini Trucks.
Sam the pirate?
So then, you're the ghost thief who steals candy?
But of course I'm not. The truth is, every Halloween, I buy a lot of candy and give it all to the fearless Mini Trucks who are brave enough to come up right here.
So then it's a legend? There is no ghost who steals candy?
No, of course not, Mini Trucks. What an idea.
Happy Halloween, my dear Mini Trucks.
Grandpa Ted!
I see that you have unmasked the ghost thief.
Yes, it was only Sam the pirate.
Bravo, my Mini Trucks. You have proven yourselves to be very courageous. You have earned the Champion Cup for Mini Trucks who never show their face. Happy Halloween! What are you playing, mini trucks?
We are having fun on our slide.
And we even built it ourselves.
Are you sure that it's well built and going to hold up?
Of course, Grandpa Ted. Don't you worry. It's super strong.
Oh, no!
Don't you worry about it. I know where you can all slide down a really big slope. It is even bigger than your mini slide.
Do you mean like a big mountain slope?
Not exactly. Meet me over at Truck Control, and I will explain everything.
Yeah, let's go!
Dear mini truck, before hurtling down the big slope of the mountain, first the four of you have to pass the challenge of the Great Giant Slide.
Great giant slide? Woohoo! It's gonna be so much fun!
That's for sure. Just take care not to suffer from vertigo.
Tell us, what is vertigo, Grandpa Ted?
It's when you are afraid of heights, Alex. But we don't have vertigo.
That's perfect. It'll be fine. I'm programming the launch pad to send you directly to the Great Giant Slide. I am counting on you to succeed in this mission. Have a good time, mini trucks. Prepare yourselves for launch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks.
Wow! This is a giant slide!
It's gonna be so awesome. It's great. And it's gigantic.
Yeah, but that's pretty high.
That was really cool.
Come on, let's go again!
Don't you want to have a go at it, Alex?
Yes, of course, but I'm a bit scared.
You just have vertigo.
Don't worry, Alex. I have a special technique to overcome vertigo, and it always works for me. Really? What is it? I just back up so I don't see the slope, and then I go forward without stopping. Yippee! Super! I'm gonna do the same. Huh?
Don't you worry, Alex. You'll get it right the next time. Look at me. Woohoo! It's great! Go on, it's your turn, Lisa.
Hold on, I want to try again. I know I can do it this time.
Okay, and I'll help you. Listen, take a deep inhale breath like this. That's it,
You bet! Let's do it again, all together!
That was amazing!
Hey now, were those my 4 dear mini trucks that I just saw sliding down that super giant slide?
Yes, thanks to Lisa, Alice, and Jeremy, I have managed to overcome my fear!
Bravo, you all! You have won the Cup of Courage! The biggest slopes in the world will no longer be a challenge for you!
Thank you, Grandpa Ted!
And you, Grandpa Ted, don't you want to go on the slide?
Oh no, I'm too old for that. I would rather go and eat at Chef Cookie's.
Yeah! Awesome!
Let's go!
Let's go! Woohoo!
Are you sure that we're supposed to dig here?
Yes, I'm telling you that it's here. Yes, well, I'm not so sure.
Hello there, mini trucks! But what are you doing digging a hole in the middle of my yard? Are you doing a little gardening?
Not that, Grandpa. We're searching for the treasure of Sam the Truck Pirate. Yeah, Sam the Pirate. He's the most courageous of all super trucks.
And it's been
very little chance that it's hidden in my yard. And anyways, to find hidden treasure, you need a treasure map.
A map?
Well, think about it, dear mini trucks. Let me ask, how do you think a pirate would be able to find the treasure that he had hidden several years back in the past?
With a map!
That's right! Bravo! Well done. And did you know that one day, Sam the pirate told me a little secret?
And my dear old friend, before I go away on my voyage, I want to trust you with me treasure map. And I'd like you to give it to some really brave trucks who are up to the challenge of finding me treasure.
Grandpa, do you really know Sam the pirate truck?
Wow! And Grandpa, do you still have the treasure map?
Yep. Let's all meet at truck control to study this more closely.
Woohoo! The treasure is ours!
Dear mini trucks, in order to find the treasure, you're going to need to accomplish several difficult challenges. Let's begin by putting the map up on the computer. The map indicates the treasure is buried in Trucksville Desert. But pay attention, be careful of the mud river.
Okay, Grandpa!
I'm going to program the launch ramp to transfer you directly into the middle of Trucksville Desert. Prepare yourselves for takeoff. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
The treasure map indicates that the treasure is buried across this bridge.
There's no way we're gonna be able to cross it. There are gaps.
It's easy. Let me do it, and I'll be the first to get the treasure. Whoa! Ugh.
You must not confuse using speed with rushing recklessly, Alex.
Well, if I hadn't slipped, then I'd already be on the other side. Go on, Jeremy, it's your turn.
I'll never be able to do it. I'm too scared.
Go on, of course you can do it.
Whoa. Oh. Ah!
Oh, poor Jeremy. I think I understand it. Lisa, come on. Let's go together. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and jump! 1, 2, 3, and jump! Super! We've done it! Your turn. You can both do it. It's easier together. 1, 2, 3, and jump!
1, 2, 3, and jump! Woohoo! And we made it!
From the treasure map, the treasure might be right around here, but I can't see it. There's just sand.
The treasure of Sam the Super Truck Pirate.
Super! We have done it!
But the chest is empty. Someone has stolen Sam the Pirate's treasure. Sam the Super Truck Pirate!
Bravo there, mini trucks. You've successfully passed the
What?
test.
But the chest is empty.
Well, that's normal. I created this challenge to see if you are truly worthy of being pirates. You have proven yourselves with teamwork, with great courage, and with goodwill. Here is the reward you have earned.
Yes! We're pirates, you guys! This is
And now welcome aboard, new crew member.
Thank you! Hey, take a look! It's Grandpa Ted, who's come to join us!
Bravo! You four have found Sam!
Hey, Grandpa, we all won. And look at what Sam has given us.
Bravo, mini trucks! You have passed the challenge. And now you've all become real super truck pirates! You've definitely earned the trophy for the treasure hunt!
Yippee! I don't see any.
There's nothing. Oh, hey, watch out.
Merry Christmas, mini trucks!
Grandpa, our Christmas presents have disappeared.
Well, maybe they were stolen.
It's a real mystery. Mini trucks, it is time to pay a visit to Santa Truck to ask him all about this. Everybody to truck control.
Let's roll for adventure!
Dear Mini Trucks, your mission today is to find out exactly why Santa Truck didn't deliver any Christmas presents this year.
But we don't know where he lives.
Santa Truck's house is behind the biggest tree of the highest mountain in the North Pole, so that means you can't miss it. To find it, you'll be provided with binoculars.
Yes! This way we can see everywhere, and especially very far.
That's right, and you're now ready to go. I am programming the launch pad to send you to the North Pole. So, are all of you ready for takeoff? 4, 3, 2, 1, Mini Trucks, go!
Yippee! We made it to the North Pole! Now then, it's time to find Santa Truck's house.
Found it, found it! I think I see it. Look right over there.
You're wrong, Alex. Grandpa Ted said we first have to find the biggest tree of the whole entire mountain. Look! There, I found it! It's the biggest tree on the mountain!
Super! Now let's go!
Grandpa Ted said that Santa Truck's house is hidden right behind the giant tree.
Wow! That must be Santa Truck's house.
Here we go!
Ho, ho, ho! Who goes there?
Hello! We are the Mini Trucks!
Hey, Santa Truck, why didn't you deliver Christmas presents this year?
Every year, flying reindeer pull out the sleigh, allowing me to deliver the presents you see. But, well, they've caught a cold.
How can we help you?
Oh, my word! Now that's what I call a statement worthy of the biggest of trucks.
It's Grandpa Ted!
Hello, Santa Truck. How are you, Mini Trucks?
Grandpa, Santa Truck's poor reindeer are sick.
And we want to help out, but we don't know how to fly.
Don't panic, dear Mini Trucks. I have everything you'll need in my tune-up tunnel. Now get it! With the helicopter unit, you can help Santa Truck to fly his sleigh and deliver the presents to everyone near and far.
Here we go! Yippee!
Oh, great job there, Mini Trucks! Thanks to your big help tonight, every child will have their Christmas presents. Ho, 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 ho. Here are presents for you, and presents for you. Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas to everyone!
Bravo, Mini Trucks! To thank you, Santa Truck has entrusted me in giving you all very special presents.
These are the reindeer of Santa Truck. So cool!
But tell me, with all these adventures, haven't you maybe forgotten something in the meantime?
Oh, you're right! We forgot our Christmas presents!